my mid-70s TS250 Savage. I got it a while ago. I swapped that YZ for it, which had the TS185 motor, and it had crappy guards on it, like sort of homemade ones, but I've got some TM guards. And I sold the headlight and the speedos and the exhaust, and I've fabricated this expansion chamber now to some specifications I got. So yeah, I'm not sure what kind of power that chamber will give it, but yeah, it's the model with the 21-inch front wheel. I'm not sure what year that puts it at, but it's a mixture of good and bad. It's been used on a farm a bit, and I've got some new rear shocks coming. The rims are like corroded and rusty. The chrome's stuffed, but I'm not sure about getting new rims, or I was also thinking of sandblasting them, because I'm going to get the frame blasted and 2-pack epoxy black paint, and I want to get a TM head for it, because this has got the sort of cutaway for the exhaust, which used to go along here. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. This gear lever was completely bent, so I straightened that out the other day. I need to get some motocross foot pegs. This motor, it looks like it's never been apart. I took off this cover to have a look inside, and it doesn't look like it's been butchered. Like, the bike's rough, but it hasn't actually been butchered. And the engine is worn. I'll run it and see how it goes, but it really would need a rebuild. And yeah, they put this chain on it which is too wide, and it bent the push rod for the clutch, so I need a new push rod. And I've got the splines are stripped on here. I've got a couple others, but one's for a TM, not sure if it'll fit this, and one's for an early RM, but I might be able to cut and weld them or something. And these fork stanchions aren't the best. I was going to see if I could use TF125 fork legs. I might be able to modify them. And yeah, I got these TM guards. The TM triple clamps must be a bit different because the holes don't really line up, but I can fix the guard. Yeah, I was going to spray everything yellow as well. Yeah, and yeah, I want to run a bigger rear sprocket, change the gearing a bit. And they say a good port mod is to lift the exhaust port 1mm and wide it by 0.5 millimeter on each side. So I might give that a go, because this chamber should work well with that mod as well. Yeah, I need to make a new seat as well. And I may change the airbox make one which looks more like a TM.